course under the folder Writing, and I go down here, we are in week 12. That's November 2nd through the 6th. When I open up this folder, take a look. We've combined, you notice, Thursday and Friday, so we'll take a look at that in just a moment. This week, we are jumping into a new text set. So our text set is about theme parks for adventurous people. We're going to read and comprehend both sources, meaning there are only two, and then we're going to plan for an opinion essay using the matrix and determine the big ideas for each opinion. So let's take a look at Monday. On Monday, you will see that you are just going to print this article and have it ready. If your parents came to the school before we got started this school year, they picked up a packet of opinion articles. So you may already have those, but you just want to print that today on Monday and make sure you have it ready for this week in writing. There are no additional assignments on Monday since we did use a lot of that time to complete the math benchmark today. When we look at Tuesday's folder, we can see that you will be attending that live lesson at 9 o'clock, and if you don't have those articles, please make sure you have them. We are going to read the prompt, we're going to talk about the 3 T's, create our matrix, and then on your own, you are going to read and annotate, meaning code or include those notes for source 1, and then add those details to your matrix, just for source 1. I believe, if I remember correctly, source 1 is all about theme parks that have roller coasters. On Wednesday, after our live meeting, during that live meeting, we're going to discuss what you added to your matrix for source 1. But after the meeting, then you are going to read and annotate source 2, which is on water slides, and you're going to add details to your matrix for source 2. Now, if you noticed again, Thursday and Friday are combined. Why? Because so far, boys and girls, we really haven't had the opportunity to sit down in one sitting and write an essay. And we know that on Monday, you will be taking your writing benchmark. And we know that in 4th and 5th grade, you have 2 hours to sit and read through a text set, plan using your matrix, and write your multi-paragraph essay, all at one time. So we've been breaking that up so far into pieces. So over the course of Thursday and Friday, now you are going to use your matrix and the text set that you've already annotated, source 1 and 2, to write an opinion essay on whether theme parks or water slides would be better for an adventurous person to experience. Please remember, boys and girls, that your essay needs to include an introduction, body paragraphs that support your opinion, and a conclusion. Really what this is doing is it's helping us build good stamina. Even athletes have to build stamina before like a long race. They have to practice. They do this in like shorter sessions so that they have an ability to do something for an extended period of time. In this case, we're talking about writing for an extended period of time. So you do have Thursday and Friday to complete that. You will also notice that there's a discussion board, an opinion essay, and it says submit here. You can either type your completed essay, meaning your introduction, your body paragraphs, and your conclusion, all on this discussion board, or you can write your essay on a piece of notebook paper and upload a picture of your completed essay. On the FSA, so on state testing, they do require students to handwrite an essay. So this might be good practice. Please make sure that if you're including a picture that it's clear so that your teacher can read it and provide some feedback. On this discussion board, you will see a rubric that has been attached. It is the rubric that 4th and 5th grade teachers use. It is very similar, almost identical to the rubric that the Department of Education uses when they score your essays up in Tallahassee. So that is your week in writing. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. And I hope that we have a great week in writing.